Hi everyone, this is Satya working as a developer in this team, and this presentation is related to unit testing of capsules using Mocha test framework, the new feature that we introduced in this sprint. First question is, what is Mocha? Mocha is a popular JavaScript test framework which will be mainly used to test asynchronous applications. Starting from the sprint 2021.10, Node Plus supports unit testing JavaScript unit testing using Mocha test framework. So we are using same functionality of the Node Plus to add unit test cases for the capsule and to test them. But currently there are a lot of manual steps involved in this process. So what we have done is we have automated all those steps and we have introduced a new option, add unit test. Only we have to invoke this command and we have to provide the test details. All the required components will be created which are required for the unit test. This option add unit test is included under the new feature the unit testing of capsules. While installing we have to select this new feature unit testing of capsules under artist extra functionality category to get new option add unit test. Also we have added complete Node Plus features as dependency for the unit testing of capsules feature. So all Node Plus features will be installed along with the unit testing of capsules. Currently it is an experimental feature. And this is the test case form where we have to enter test case details. Totally three components will be created. The details related to those three we have to enter in this dialog. The first component is the test driver model, where a new package will be created with the name test underscore input capsule name. It contains two capsules, test container and the test probe. The test container, it contains two capsules parts as shown in the diagram, cut and the test probe capsule part. The part test probe is of type test probe capsule, that is newly created, and the cut is of type InnoCode capsule, that is the capsule under test. We will connect all the service ports of the InnoCode capsule with the similar but conjugated ports of the test probe capsule. And the second component that will be created is the TC with the name capsule name underscore unit test. This will be used to build the test driver model into an executable. This uses TCP server library to expose the ports of the test probe capsule to Mocha test scripts where we can access them. And the final component is the Node.js project, inside which we will create a new Mocha test file with the name test underscore the capsule name.js inside the folder test. I will move to tool and I will add unit test case for this simple traffic light capsule where it has three states, red, green and yellow, which will be changing for every 2 seconds in the order. To check that order, I will add new unit test case. Add context menu, add unit test. First field is the Mocha test file name, test underscore traffic light.js file will be created in the Node.js project. I will enter the test description as should show the colors in the correct order. The third field is the package name, and the fourth is the port where the test driver application will be running, and the fifth field is the TCGS name. The output path is the path where the new executable will be created. I will specify it as out new, and the next two fields are the IP and the port where the Mocha test scripts will be running. I will click on finish. So here totally three components that got created. One is the package with two capsules, test container and test probe. The test container, it contains two capsule parts, cut and probe, test probe as I explained earlier. This test probe, it inherits the TCP server, TCP libraries, TCP server capsule. Also new TC, it got created, traffic light underscore unit test. This is the Node.js project with a Mocha test file test underscore traffic All the test case details, whatever we entered, the IPs and the ports are here, and the test description should show the colors in correct order. First, we will download all the dependencies that are required for this Node.js project using npm install command. So Here all the dependencies will be downloaded. Two packages got downloaded here, and first we will build the test driver application using this command build transformation on new TC. We have added all the sources that are required to build this TC, but still if there are any sources missing, we can use this organize sources option to add missing sources. We are able to build this TC without any errors, and the new executable it got created under this folder new out. To save that time, already I have written two test scripts. I will copy them to new Mocha file. First test case is same, should show the colors in the correct order. What we are doing is we are expecting for some event or else the state, and we are checking for the next two states. If current state is red, then next should be green, and after that we should get yellow. So we are asserting for next two states. Similarly, if the current state is green, the next two states should be yellow and red. Similarly, we have included the code for yellow state. Just to demonstrate the negative scenario, I have added a negative scenario should show the colors in the correct order. Negative scenario where we are expecting for blue, white and pink colors, but they are not there in the model. So always this test case will fail with the error message unexpected event red or else green or else yellow. First, we will start the test application using this command run as real-time application on new TC. So here the test application it got started, and the states of this capsule are getting changed for every 2 seconds. Here we are getting this error message not able to write to 2234 because we have not started Mocha test scripts. I will start Mocha test script by invoking this command run as then JavaScript unit test on the Mocha file. This is the window where we'll get the results of the Mocha test. Here the first test case got fast where we are checking for the order of the states, and the second it got failed with the message unexpected event green. Also we can debug these scripts. Just I will put breakpoint at this line number 12, and I will invoke debug as then JavaScript unit test. Like if there are any errors in the scripts, we can easily debug using this command. Yes, I will switch to debug perspective, and this is the array which contains the received events, the green and yellow and red, which are in the correct order. So this test case will pass. Apart from this, we can run the Mocha test script from the command prompt also. I will select this Mocha test file, and I will open the terminal inside the Eclipse. We are in the path the Node.js project and the test folder. Here I will write Mocha, then test case file name. The results are same here. First test case will pass. I have added the console.log statement, that is received events green, yellow and red, which are in the correct order. And the second it got failed because it's negative scenario, received unexpected event green. Like this we can write our own unit test for the capsules, and we can test using this new command add unit test. I think that's pretty much about this new feature. Any questions or else any suggestions?